Hi there, my name is Dr. Erin Partridge. I'm a board-certified registered art therapist and researcher based in California. I'm also a lifelong artist and an Art Snacks ambassador. And I'm very excited to be working with the Art Snacks team to develop the Art Snacks for Kids curriculum. Our goal is to bring educational and creative projects to life and to inspire creative kids to explore the world of art as well as the world inside themselves. We really hope that you'll join us and can't wait to see what you create.